Namami Dhamvantarimadhidevam.
Namaste, and welcome to the world of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a healthcare system, probably the most ancient system of its kind in the world. When we say system, we mean an understanding of all areas that are connected with health. This means health that is not just seen as physical well-being, but harmony among body, mind, and soul. Harmony between the individual and great nature, in fact, harmony among all the parts that make up a whole human being. Ayurveda is a system of healthcare transmitted from the ancient sages of India. Based on our extensive experience of working with Ayurveda for many years, I can assure you that Ayurveda is the most complete healthcare system available today. It involves all aspects of physical treatment, such as the use of medicinal plants, massage therapies and procedures, advice about choosing the right food and how to use food to maintain and restore health, and also the use of subtle therapies, such as, for example, aromatherapy, color therapy, and the use of mantras. Ayurveda also brings in the practice of yoga and uses it as a therapeutic method. It also includes the treatment of problems of a psychological nature through its understanding of human nature, our role in the nature and in life, and the fundamental objectives of human existence. We invite you to immerse yourself deeply in the knowledge of Ayurveda. You can use this course in a variety of ways. You may want to become a professional and work with Ayurveda. Or if you are already a healthcare practitioner or a doctor, you may want to incorporate Ayurveda into your therapeutic practice. Or you may simply want to learn the fundamental principles of this sacred science and apply it to your life and to the life of your loved ones. Regardless of your situation, you will find something in this course that suits your purpose. We are here to present our Ayurvedic training course, and we believe it will make the process of learning the theory and practice of Ayurvedic science easy and enjoyable. We have been developing this work of teaching Ayurveda in the Yoga Brahma Vidyalaya school for many years. In fact, we have invested more than 30 years of work and research into the Ayurvedic knowledge base. We now have an infrastructure of a well-established, mature school with a group of well-trained teachers, some recognized internationally in their field of work, and I myself participate directly in the day-to-day operation of the school. Among many other courses that we offer in our school, we have developed this online interactive course for training Ayurvedic therapists. This course includes a 1-month immersion, hands-on practice period in an Ayurvedic clinic. The course was developed in partnership with our dear friend, Dr. David Frawley, Pandit Vamadeva Shastri, a renowned teacher of yoga, Ayurveda, and Vedic culture. We offer our Ayurvedic training courses in many cities in Brazil, Canada, Europe, and other countries. We also offer our students the opportunity to develop their studies and practice further by doing postgraduate work in India. We are offering here a special online interactive course for training Ayurvedic therapists with a 1-month hands-on immersion training at our clinic or at a clinic or our Ayurvedic training center in Brazil, or where possible in a facility near you. From the comfort of your home or any other place you wish, at the right hour for you, you can access this course by visiting our site and enrolling yourself. You will then receive a passkey, and with it, you will be able to log on to your class level. This course has 20 levels or modules, which you are given access to one by one. At each level, you will find video classes taught by myself or by famous teachers of Ayurveda. These classes will be accessible on our site during the whole duration of the course. and after the course you will still be able to access them during your free time or at times that you wish to dedicate to your studies. Each video can be reviewed as many times as you wish. In these video classes, I talk about different Ayurvedic topics in a clear and organized sequence. In each module, you have access to extensive and comprehensive written materials that complement and expand the video classes. These materials are in PDF format and can be read on your computer, on a tablet, or printed if you prefer. We also offer a weekly texting chat where we meet for 30 minutes in a designated chat room. The date and time are communicated to you in advance by email. You and other students at your level will log into this chat room where we exchange information and clear up questions arising from your studies. Points that were not well understood can be clarified during these chats. I personally answer your questions during this 30-minute period. A record of the chats will be organized by themes and maintained on the site. If for any reason you are not able to participate in one of the weekly chat sessions, you can have access to it at a later time. We already have a good collection of this material on our site, since we have been posting it for about a year now. As one of our students, you will have free and open access to this material, which is conveniently organized by themes. At the end of each module, you will receive a questionnaire that you need to answer and send back to us. We will correct and evaluate it and send it back to you with our comments and recommendations. This will help you move on to the next module of our course. Generally, our students study one module each month, and if you follow this rhythm, it will take approximately 20 months for you to finish the course. A very important part of this course is the hands-on module, where you study in our facilities or in a clinic. Given this practical aspect of the course, it is called a partial attendance course, where one part of the course is done in the comfort of your home, watching the videos and reading the written material, and another part is done in our facilities. The hands-on part is divided into 4 modules of 1 week each, where I and other teachers will review what you have already studied in the previous modules, and where you will learn the practical aspects of Ayurveda. For example, in the first week of hands-on internship in our facilities, we review important aspects of anatomy and physiology, as well as the history and philosophy of Ayurveda. You will also learn and practice the techniques and procedures used in Ayurveda, such as the many phases of Abhyanga and the Udvatana techniques of massage. You will study the marma points and their practical use. All of this is organized and presented in a logical sequence. In the second hands-on week, you study diagnostic methods and the mechanisms of disease. Diagnosis is studied extensively. You will be assigned patients with whom you can practice the pulse method of diagnosis, the examination of the tongue, the study of body structure, and you will learn to determine a person's constitution. You will learn all of this in the second week, adding it to what you have already studied at home. In the third week, we review and study medicinal plants. In our facility in the Sudasava Ashram, we have a garden with a wide collection of medicinal plants, many of which were brought from India and others which are native to Brazil. You will be introduced to this garden and its medicinal plants, and you will learn how to cultivate, dry, and prepare them. In fact, all the steps necessary for them to be transformed into medicine. You will also learn how to prepare medicinal oils, medicinal ghee, in short, all the different kinds of Ayurvedic medicines that are available. You will participate in classes on Ayurvedic cuisine, where you will learn how to prepare, combine, and organize food in a proper and healthy way. During the fourth week, you undergo the unique experience of panchakarma, and you will learn how to perform this important Ayurvedic procedure. You can practice making clinical evaluations of your friends on the course, and you will be evaluated by them in turn under my direction and close supervision. During this week, you will perform and receive your own panchakarma treatment according to your needs and your constitution. You will be instructed in how to prepare yourself for this procedure 1 week before the internship, and you will receive and then apply the procedure during the week of your training. After the procedure, you will receive all the necessary instructions about what should be done in the week following panchakarma. All this will happen in a safe environment under our close orientation and supervision. Our course brings together an enormous collection of both information and practical elements. It would be virtually impossible for you to assemble such knowledge through the study of books alone. Immersing yourself in the published literature is not going to give you the unique combination of theoretical and practical knowledge that you will find in this course. At the present moment, we are offering this course in Portuguese. Very soon, it will be offered in English and Spanish, because we believe it is very important to disseminate the knowledge of Ayurveda to all countries. If you feel a desire to study Ayurveda, please go to our website and read about this course, its objectives, its price, and all other related aspects. Our website explains all this clearly. All you have to do is to follow the instructions, enter our virtual store, register yourself for the course, and a login and password giving you the access to the online course will be emailed to you. Forward to your getting in touch with us so we can journey together through the immense field of knowledge and personal evolution that Ayurveda represents. Namaste.